managed to land a role, and now you're here in Qatar attending the Web Summit.
Meeting people from AWS, Google, Microsoft. Never had the opportunity like that before.
You'll be getting job offers that you can't take yet because you're in university.
There's opportunities you wouldn't really normally get outside of Protocol bringing us here.
Very inspirational being here, coming from that non-technical background.
It's weird being 20 and having all of this. It's kind of like made me think higher. 40, 50 is not enough anymore. I need 100.
Welcome to the Qatar Web Summit. The Protocol team has officially flown out and they're in Qatar. We've taken a couple of our top students with us and we're going to be showing you guys the journey from start to finish. Guys, one of our students that managed to land a role, and now you're here in Qatar attending the Web Summit. You didn't know about AWS a few months ago. How does it feel to be here at the AWS booth in Qatar?
I think there's one word for it. It's just very inspirational being here, not coming from that non-technical background, and now being in the booth of AWS where we use it on a daily basis. It's just an amazing feeling, and now just connecting with industry leaders, and yeah, it's just again very inspirational to be out here.
What do you feel like you've gained from being out here? I've seen you get stuck in, connect with loads of different people. Do you think it's going to help in terms of moving abroad? I know you mentioned that you want to make those connections to make that move and you want to move to the Middle East.
Yeah.
How do you feel that's helped?
I think everybody on social media wants to move abroad, right? Being out here, this is the way to do it. This is how you go about it. You go and network with all these experts, these people that are being innovative in the industry, and they're looking for you, proactive engineers. And you being proactive and being in these events and being invited to these opportunities, this is how you get these jobs abroad. I see it now. I see the vision, and I think I've made a few connections. So let's see.
Hey, you might see the youngest DevOps engineer in Qatar. Yeah.
yeah. Hopefully, inshallah.
Hopefully. With the main man, Mo Saeed, who we've invited to join us at the Qatar Web Summit. He's one of our early students and early successes from the bootcamp. A few months, you never used AWS in your life, so it's only fitting now we're here having this interview at the AWS booth.
Yes, sir.
Share with the people your experience. Let them know how it feels to be out here in Qatar.
Honestly, it's a fantastic experience. Met so many people, different companies, wide range of brands and whatnot. Just meeting connection, just being able to experience the tech sector and what it is. And it's a fantastic experience. Gaining a lot of knowledge from the brothers as well, utilizing the experience, making connections, being able to expand my knowledge, meeting people from AWS, Google, Microsoft, all this stuff. Never had the opportunity like that before. And now we're here just smashing it. And it's somewhere you gotta be. This is where all the people, anyone that's anyone is here. So if you're not here, you gotta be here. Make sure you're expanding your knowledge base, your LinkedIn presence, everything like that. This is the place to be, and yeah, I'm grateful for the opportunity, and it's fantastic, man.
Awesome. And do you think this will help in terms of your goals of looking to move abroad or land a job abroad? Do you feel like you've made the right connections
100%.
and you know the right people to talk to?
100%. Just now, I was at a booth and they were telling us yeah, we're only hiring from abroad, but from within. But if you move to Qatar, for example, you're able to apply for their roles and stuff like that. They're looking for the same skill sets regardless where you go. If you're in the UK or in Qatar, the skills are the same. They're looking for DevOps engineers that know AWS, cloud, Terraform, all these things. So, and just apply, let them know why you're fit for the role, and that's it. Here, I've met a lot of different companies, finding requirements from them, all that sort of stuff, and it's been great. So take it back and just smash that knowledge and keep improving and just come back, because inshallah I want to be here a couple years time, and yeah, I know where the base is now, so
inshallah. So soon people are going to see you out here.
Yeah, man.
Inshallah,
they're going to come find me in Qatar, just hit me up. You know what I'm saying?
The next go-to DevOps engineer. I'm here with one of my top students, Muzi, who is a final year computer science student, who's got his Kubernetes trifecta. Before, a few months ago, you didn't know much about AWS, never used it, and now you're here in the Qatar Web Summit. Talk to the people, share your experience.
Yeah, man. So I came into DevOps about 4 or 5 months ago when I contacted you guys. No technical background, really, other than development, nothing inside of DevOps. I came, started from Linux, all the way to Kubernetes, and yeah, man, we're here. We end up to be here, man. It's amazing, an amazing experience.
We're here. And how do you feel like this position that you're in, where you've been proactive,
Yeah.
you've been getting recruiters headhunting you, you've got the right certifications,
Yeah.
you've been getting job offers that you can't take yet because you're in university, and you're now here in the Qatar Web Summit.
Yeah.
How has this broadened your horizons, and what do you think this has created in terms of opportunities for you?
I think definitely it's got rid of the limiting beliefs that I had. Again, back then everyone's seen the memes, computer science grads not getting jobs. I had that same mindset until I met Murad, I met the brothers again, and then now I'm here. Again, the job offers and all of that, they're amazing, but now it's weird. Like being 20 and having all of this, it's kind of like made me think higher. Do you know what I mean? 40, 50 is not enough anymore. I need 100.
He needs the big boy salaries.
Alright.
Hey, any companies hiring for grads, people in Qatar, he's the main man. He knows
Yeah.
his Kubernetes. He got his trifecta. He's gonna be the next go-to expert and the next hot person in the DevOps space. Don't
100%.
sleep on him. I'm here with Hamid, one of our previous students. That's now the youngest Kubeshador in the UK or even in the world. He's got all his Kubernetes certifications. He's one of the upcoming hottest platform engineers in the industry. Bro, tell us how it feels to be here in Qatar at the Web Summit.
Alhamdulillah, man. Alhamdulillah. So all I can say, man, is just put in the hard work, support from the brothers. Now we're here, man. Alhamdulillah. It feels great. It's crazy. Never thought I'd be here.
How does it feel with connecting with all these different people? I know you've had your eye on a few booths. I know you're into Microsoft, Azure. How has it been? Do you feel like you've developed good connections?
It's crazy, man. Being able to speak to these kind of people, you know, Microsoft, AWS, Google, AI companies, like, is opportunities you wouldn't really normally get outside of this, outside of, you know, Kodako bringing us here, alhamdulillah. So it's great.
Also, and do you feel like it's something really different in comparison to if you were to attend an AWS summit in the UK?
Yeah, it's different, completely different. Because you don't really get the opportunity to speak to people Middle East. I know a lot of people, they want to move to the Middle East, they want to move to Qatar, stay here, but you don't really get that in the UK. And it's different culture as well, completely different culture.
It's about forming the right network and connections. We always tell people this. So one of the best ways to land a job out here is being out here. So
Literally.
you've taken that step, you've been proactive, and
Appreciate it, man.
can't wait to see you and what you do next.